Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should start by making a quick backup of the phone column because mistakes happen. Once backed up, normalize the cells with trim and clean so white space won't confuse patterns. Next, scan a few examples to see if country codes use a plus sign, double zeros, or parentheses. Now, insert a helper column and prepare a rejects replace formula. This is where you begin stripping the leading country code pattern while preserving the national number. Follow along, and I'll show exact patterns to remove. Now you'll apply a flexible rejects replace that handles plus signs, 00 prefixes, and 1 3-digit country codes. For example, use a pattern that strips \+, or 00 and up to 3 digits while allowing a following space or dash. This preserves the remaining national digits. Once done, extend the formula with array formula to process the full column. If numbers include extensions like ext or x, capture and reattach them so extensions remain unchanged. Finish by converting the helper column formulas to values so your clean numbers don't depend on formulas. Then validate by sampling rows, comparing counts, or using LEN to spot outliers. Any too short or too long entries need manual review. If you find unexpected prefixes, update the rejects to include them, for example, longer country codes or local trunk zeros. Make sure to escape characters like parentheses. If things still go wrong, revert to your backup and refine the pattern step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.